Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at finding the area of regular polygons. So a polygon is just a shape with many sides. Note that we don't include curved arcs as sides. So a polygon is something that looks like this. Now what regular means is that each of its sides and angles is equal. So all of these sides are equal, and in addition each of the angles inside are equal. So this angle and this angle and this angle and so on are all equal. That's what it means regular. Now a dodecagon is a shape with 12 sides. So a regular dodecagon, this shape here, has 12 sides and each side is equal. So finding its perimeter would be easy. If I tell you that each side is 10 centimeters, then of course the perimeter is just 12 times 10, which is 120 centimeters. But finding the area of regular polygons can actually be quite challenging. In fact, the way the formulas come about, usually they're divided into lots of triangles. So for our purposes, you can easily look up these formula. You don't need to know them off by heart, just look them up. This is the area formula for a regular dodecagon. They all look something like this. They have some complicated numbers in there, and then they have an S, usually it's an S squared. S being the side length. So for the area of a regular dodecagon, if its side length was 10, its area is just 3 outside of 2 plus root 3 times 10 squared. So note, no operation written, it's always times. Now this might look a bit complicated, but you can just put this straight on your calculator, and to the nearest whole number you get about 1120 centimeters squared. Alright, let's now look at going the other way. So this time I'm telling you the area is 44.875 centimeters squared, and we're going to find the side length. So we can easily rearrange this formula so S is the subject. Now it may look complicated, but it's actually simple. See, 3 outside of 2 plus root 3 is just a number. It's probably around 11.2 or something like that. It's just a number. So we can get S squared by itself by dividing. So I'm just going to divide A by 3 outside of 2 plus root 3. That'll give me S squared. So if I want S just by itself, I square root both sides. So if I want to find what the side length is that will give me this area, all I need to do is now substitute in A for 44.875 over 3 outside of 2 plus root 3. You can put that straight on your calculator. You get about 2. The side length would have to be about 2 centimeters for the regular dodecagon to have this area. So you could do this with any other type of regular polygon, like a regular hexagon, which has 6 sides, regular octagon, which has 8 sides, and so on. It's just about looking up the formula, and once you know the formula, they're actually very simple, even though they look complicated. Alright, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.